Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a Discord bot to your Discord server. So the first thing you need to do is go to your search thing and type in something like Me6. I'll be adding Me6 today. So then you go to the Me6 website or whatever bot you're going for. Then you press add to Discord. After you see this, it pops up with this and it says wants to know your username and avatar, your email address, what servers you're in, and some random thing. Then if you want to, then you press authorize. After you've authorized it, go to set up Me6. Add it to the server you want to add it to and press continue. It will tell you what permissions it has. Make sure to look over these. After that, press authorize. It will want you to check if you're not a robot. And there we go, bot is now on your server. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like, and goodbye.